The family of Joyce Echaquan say they intend to take legal action. As she lay in a Quebec hospital, Echaquan recorded a video pleading for help, and on it you can hear hospital staff insulting and demeaning her. Today, her husband said systemic racism has contaminated that hospital and killed his wife. Felicia Parrillo reports in a warning some viewers may find the video disturbing.
In tears, hardly able to find his words, Joyce Echaquan's husband says, "They killed my wife." 4 days after, the 37-year-old died in a Quebec hospital. Her family has announced they will be taking legal action.
In the following weeks, a lawsuit against the Joliet Hospital and their employees will be filed. Also, we are of the opinion that criminal actions were made by the hospital.
The mother of 7 from the Atikamekw community died on Monday at a Joliet hospital in disturbing circumstances. In her final moments, Echaquan managed to record the insulting remarks hurled at her by hospital staff. She had been admitted for stomach pains a few days earlier. Both a nurse and an orderly have been fired, and 3 investigations are underway. The family's lawyer says they'll file complaints with police, the Human Rights Commission, and with the Quebec Order of Nurses. Echaquan's death has sparked outrage across the province and calls for the government to act against systemic racism. Quebec Premier François Legault has called Echaquan's death unacceptable and says he's committed to making changes, but he has repeatedly denied the existence of systemic racism.
For me, it's in relation with the black people in the United States, for a reason we know. For me, I don't see that in Quebec. But for sure, there is some racism against the First Nation in Quebec, and I want to fight.
Atikamekw community leaders are demanding an in-person meeting with the Premier. They also stress the need for him to admit that systemic racism exists, and says if he doesn't, he's part of the problem. Felicia Parrillo, Global News, Joliet, Quebec.